What's up, guys? I think my welder is here. Oh la la. I'm happy. Very happy I got my Hobart right here, guys. Can't wait to open. It's perfect for my thank you. The UPS guy delivered today. Look at that, guys. Let's do unboxing, guys. Hobart. Let's check it out. 125. I got my titanium there, guys. This one is always shut down. But this is good for beginners. But I think I'm gonna go step up. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Unboxing video on my Hobart, guys. Let's check it out. Let's check what we can do. Oh la la, what's wrong? It's all broken styro thing. Oh la la. Look what happened. What's going on in here? Let's check. There's a little dent. There's a little dent. Damage on the packaging. Delivery. Ooh la la, look at this. Call us first. Alright, later because I'm using my phone. I'm gonna call you guys a little bit later. Ooh la la. I love it. Look. Scratch. Scratch. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can do. Oh la la. It's a little heavy, guys. Oh la la. It's a little heavy. Heavy load. That's my plan, guys. That's the plan. Hobart. Hobart. That's already connected. The box. Look, all damaged. Damaged from shipment. Look how bad it is. Styro. There are some dent. There are some dent. But let's see if it's working good or what. Alright. It's a little heavy, guys. That's my plan right there. Perfect. Welding machine. Nothing special, guys. That's the purpose. That's the purpose. That's the reason why I did it, guys. So it's pretty much intact on the bottom, guys. It's a perfect. You see the measurement what I did. That's how you do it, guys. It's not gonna be back and forth. And then when you wanna do open something, right there, guys. All right. What's this? There's a crack, guys. There's a crack. It's a brand new, guys. I got it from the shipment 101, 102, and 103. How you like it, guys? How you like the height? The height is pretty much perfect, guys. Perfect. The height is easy to roll. See how it rolls, guys? It's the power cord. How you like it so far, guys? Hobart welding product. Just upgraded from the titanium. This one is a portable thing, but it's really good welder, guys. It's really good welder. Amazing welder, guys. Look at this. My Hobart. My Hobart. Sooner or later, I ordered the Red Bull helmet, guys. Height is perfect. Oops. Ooh la la. Now it's broken. No, it's not. Alright, guys. Very easy to roll, guys. Very easy to roll. That's my Hobart. It's kind of weird. There's nothing accessory that comes with it. It's pretty much all connected right here. From the, I put it sideways, guys. So there's no extra. It's kind of wet right here. It's a brand new, but it's kind of wet. Positive and negative connection. That's for the only thing is this one is plastic. Sooner or later I upgrade the one with the metal, but the roller itself, it's a metal. This is 0.03 roller. Just kind of weird because it's like, that's my only unboxing video, guys. There's a little dent from the shipment, but that's fine. We'll see it later. Alright, guys, it's a brand new Hobart product. Hobart. The box itself is Hobart product, USA Hobart. Just the adjustable thing. Setting 1, 2, and 3. Do not switch while welding. Alright, guys, so far so good. Alright, simple as that, guys. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna go anywhere. Just gonna put a little luts here, so it means gonna be lock and load. I don't need to put extra plate or whatever, because the way I design it, it's gonna be slant a little bit. That's the way how you design, guys. The DIY. That's my Hobart welding machine. Alright, guys, bye bye for now, guys.